Alright, I'm Uncle Chris, and this is my debut video on YouTube. Yay me! And I look like crap. Didn't intend it to be that way, but that's the way it turned out. Look, I'm as real as it gets. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to survive off of food from the food pantry and other things. Because it's all about survival. With that said, let's start with my hot sauce soup. Pack of chicken. This is directed at my sister. This is what you get from the food pantry. I filled this pot halfway full with water. No salt, nothing. We're just going to start to boil the chicken. You can put your spices in, but don't add salt because the hot sauce is going to add all the salt. Okay? So, let's get started. I'm going to put this chicken in right after I rinse it. Excuse me, y'all. I have had a day today, debuting the video, and I was very self-conscious about that. Very subconscious about the way I looked. And then I saw some of these people on YouTube, they were beautiful, and I saw others not so beautiful. But you know what? I am not judging anybody, because God knows I am not somebody to judge anyone. Yes, my hands are clean. You put your chicken in to start your stock, as it were, and cook it. Okay. Once the chicken gets started, you're going to let that cook for at least 10 minutes or so, or at least until it's boiling, okay? Put in your seasonings that you like, including your hot sauce. Because basically what you're making is a base, like a roux, but not a roux, okay? It's a soup. So let's do this. I put in at least 2 cups of hot sauce. You heard me. 2 cups. Hot sauce of your preference. I particularly like Louisiana hot sauce. And no, it's not a sponsored video. But I know how to put this in, but I suggest for you all, measure it. But there's going to be at least 2 cups of hot sauce in this soup, okay? Now the seasonings I'm putting in, garlic, put this into your taste, okay? This is garlic powder, not garlic salt. I'm also going to show you how to do low sodium. Unless you like the dialysis chair, that's up to you. Now, we're going to put in just a hint of black pepper. Because after all, you got hot sauce in here. Now, I don't know how hot you want it, but make it as hot as you want to, okay? I'm also going to put in my salt-free seasoning. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, it's smelling good, y'all. Already. Then I'm going to put in another salt-free seasoning. Get this from Aldi's. You got Aldi's in the area. It is a lifesaver. All right. Now, I'm going to be back. I'm going to chop up 2 whole onions, 2 potatoes, 1 green pepper. Make it 2. I like green pepper. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I chopped up the vegetables. Guys, my camera straight. Jesus, I tell you, I don't see how these people do it by themselves. Alright, so if it ain't straight, sorry. It's real. It's live. I've chopped up the vegetables. This, 2 green peppers, 2 onions, 2 potatoes. Now, I am going to put all of that into the soup right now because these are the things that take the longest to cook. Not the onions, but that doesn't matter because they're going to blend into the soup. But these things take the longest to cook. That's why I put the chicken in first, along with the spices. And then I'm going to add some sausage. But the sausage cooks very quickly, so you want to add that at the end. Yes, this is old school cooking. The real deal. I'm going to show you. Look, let me tell you something. I had fallen into modern lifestyle where you're eating all this fast food and all this blah, 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 blah. Do you know I used to have a 32-inch waist and muscles? Yes. Then I had to have an operation. Felt sorry for myself. Was laid up for a year. In the meantime, eating fast food, doing it down. And next thing you know, hey, big old Uncle Chris. I'm going to lose weight, and I'm going to try to show you how to do it too, okay? This soup is not only uh, inexpensive to make, but it'll last. You can freeze some, and it's good for you. And guess what? It's low in fat. Now, how about that? And chemical free. Ha! All right. Now, I'm going to stir these down in here. Now, I want to show you something. Another thing that inspired me to make this was my sister said, you know what this looks like? It looks like B Love's original Smackalicious spicy sauce. I said, you know, it sure does. I laughed at that. But it does look like it. Take a look. When you cook your soup, that's how it's going to look when it first starts, okay? And it's going to look even more delicious once you get it really going, okay? Now, I'm going to let this simmer for a while. I'm going to put in maybe a little more hot sauce. I know. And then from there, I will add the sausage and just let it simmer. You're going to let it cook till the chicken is like fall off the bone. That's what makes it good, okay? You got to simmer. And trust me, you will like this. Be right back. Okay, check it out, y'all. I have chopped up a whole bunch of smoked sausage, 1.5 packs. Because I like the sausage in this dish because it makes it, oh yes. Oop, I lost 2. You darn right, I'm going to rinse those off and put them in here. Just like y'all do at home. This was things straight here. I tell you. Oh, I'm going to rinse this off and eat it. Who am I kidding? So, let that cook down. And you're going to have some good stuff. Oh, yeah. You got to see this. Oh, yeah. So, about another 30 to 45 minutes, and we'll be good. And I'll be back. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm back, and duh, I forgot to mention. Lord have mercy. Okay. I'm adding my vegetables to the mix. I'm adding a bag of corn. I was thinking about adding 2, but I think I have enough vegetables in here. I'm adding a bag of corn, frozen, because the frozen vegetables have no salt. I'm adding 1 bag of corn. 1 bag frozen green beans, okay? Not the French style, but the cut ones, okay? And to be honest with you, I think that might about do it right there. I'm kind of liking this. Now, if it cooks down, if I decide, I might add a bag of these mixed vegetables, just because I'm still thinking about it. So, I will show you if I add them, okay? So we're waiting for that to cook down, and then we're going to add the sausage. All right. Okay, everybody, there's one thing I forgot to mention. I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of sugar, just because the hot sauce can make this a little bitter. This will cut that. You won't even taste the sugar, okay? Just wanted to show you I added that, because I forgot. It's my first video. So, with that said, this will sweeten it up, and it'll give it a really good contrast with the saltiness of that hot sauce and the sausage. Be right back with the finished product. Okay, I'm back. Soup is done. I have served it up, and my little nephew is here. He's going to be the taste tester. Go ahead. Take your bowl. Don't let me know how it is. Yeah, how's it taste? You know, supposed to let me know.
Excuse me, thank you very much. And the soup is very delicious.
Okay. All right. What should be? Hey guys, what should be my next video? What should I cook? Suggestions? Hello. Okay, I'll leave it up to you guys. It'll be a surprise. Till next time, remember to like, subscribe, and what else? Like, subscribe. Oh, and comment. Yeah. Hey, it's my first video. All right. Bye bye.